Hi guys, hey, I thought I'd do tag? Is that what it's called? I'm not really sure. Emily Noel talked about doing this in a recent Q&A. She said she was gonna do a whole video, and I thought, oh my god, I love that idea. So it is if I lost all my makeup. So pretty much if you lost literally your entire makeup collection, what would you buy first? The top 10 things you would buy first. And I thought this was a really interesting idea actually, because not only are these obviously the products that you depend on the most, but they're not necessarily your favorites. Like, I have some products I absolutely adore that are not in this collection because they're just not something I would actually need. It might be something I love and just like fits into my routine and is amazing, but it's not something I need. And so I kind of did this in a way that is something that if I could only have 10 products for however long I have to save up to buy the rest of my collection back, these are the products I would be the happiest with. Now, this is makeup, this is not skincare. First things first is literally what I wear almost every single day, even when I don't wear any makeup, and that is the Glossier Boy Brow in brown. I do love the clear one, but the brown one just is easier for every day because you don't actually have to fill in your brows because it does offer some color. I love this. I think it's like the best thing in the world. I have not found anything to replace it, and this is just like, even when I don't use concealer, foundation, nothing, this is a go-to, so I would 100% repurchase this. Next up, more Glossier products. This is Perfecting Skin Tint. I love this stuff. I did a whole video about how much I love it. I'm not wearing this today because I am trying out a new foundation, but this would be my go-to because although I have other foundations, like CC creams I love, this is like my everyday product. Like, this is what I trust for errands, and I would also wear it to go out and do things, like more important things. It's like my number one. Like, if I could only have one like base product, it would be this. So it feels like nothing on the skin, and it's comfortable, and it covers but not over covers, if that makes sense. I'll go through everything from Glossier first so you guys don't get too bored. Glossier Stretch Concealer. And when I don't wear the Perfecting Skin Tint, I just literally pop this under my eyes, not any spots. I love this. I also use it with that. It's my favorite concealer. It doesn't get all cakey under my eyes and dry, and everything else does, so it's the best. And then last Glossier product is the Cloud Paint. Now, I could put all 4 shades, but I just picked my favorite, which is Dusk. It is like a neutral one. It's not what I'm wearing today, but it is my favorite, and I think it just looks perfect with all outfits, with all makeup looks, with pretty much any mood you're in. It's like the most natural color. I just absolutely love this one, and it lasts all day, and it just looks really glowy and nice, and that is totally something I would want. Blush is something to me that's like, some people need their bronzer or their highlight. I need blush. Like, if I could only pick highlighter, bronzer, or blush, I would pick blush. Now, next up is mascara, and this, I guess for this list, I just want to say it would be whatever product I was loving at the time. Like, right now, if all my makeup was gone and I was repurchasing a mascara, it would be this one, but like at another time of the year, sometimes I like something different. So it would just be whatever mascara I'm loving at the moment, and right now that is the Maybelline Total Temptation. It smells like coconuts, which has nothing to really do with it, but I've just been really liking it. It lasts all day, it holds a curl, it doesn't clump up, it doesn't flake. Love it. And this is in waterproof, by the way. Next is the Milani Brow Fix Brow Kit. You had to know this was coming if you've been on my channel for any amount of time. This is in the shade Light, and honestly it just has everything. Like, because this is one product, it's like such 2, 3, 4 in one product. It has a little mirror, it has a highlight, it has 2 brow shades which can be used, all 3 of these can be used as eyeshadows as well. So if I didn't have an eyeshadow palette, this would be a great option. It also comes with a little sponge applicator, an angled eyebrow brush, and tweezers. So I just think that's the best thing ever. 3 things left. This is gonna go pretty quickly. And this, I don't want to say this is makeup. This is like included in my makeup routine. So I could do everything else without brushes or anything like that, but I would want my Real Technique sponge. I don't use this every day, and I don't even use this with this, but I do use it with the concealer, and I just think even if I'm applying this with my fingers, I love to just go over everything, cream products, whatever, and just blend it out with this and just buff it and just bounce it all on my skin, and I just feel like it makes everything look more natural and amazing. So definitely that would be something I would pick up. And then of course an eyelash curler. This is my favorite one from Sally Hansen, but I would just need this because for me it wouldn't even make sense to wear mascara if I couldn't curl my eyelashes first. I need an eyelash curler. An eyelash curler is definitely a part of my makeup routine that I would need to to replace immediately. And last but not least, you might consider this skincare, but for me it's part of my makeup routine, and that is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Like I said, some people might use this as a toner or something, but I only use it when I wear makeup. I just don't feel the need for it when I'm not wearing makeup because my skin has enough moisture for my moisturizer, but once I'm putting makeup on, it kind of sucks the moisture out of my skin. So I just spray this on as like a primer step, and then throughout the day if I feel a little bit dry, this is definitely like a makeup step for me, and I absolutely adore it. And like now that I've been using this for 2 months maybe, I don't know what I would do without it. Like I need it. I put makeup on the other day without it, and like just wasn't a good makeup day. Those are the 10 products. That is 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's not 10. Oh, I forgot one. I'm apologizing. Number 10 would be my Baby Lips by Maybelline, or any tinted lip balm, I guess, would be along the same lines, since the one I use, Grapevine, they don't make anymore, but like that's the one I still have because it's been discontinued. But I bought like multiples of it. As it has been discontinued, I could go for like the Neutrogena little lip balms that they have, anything kind of a tinted lip balm. I need it. Like it's the best thing for my handbag, something I don't need a mirror to apply, that just gives me the moisture and like amps up the color. And it kind of, if you've been wearing lipstick or any kind of lip color and it's faded, that kind of tinted lip balm will kind of put that color back in. Can't believe I left that out. So that was my number 10. Now that has been 10 products. So let me know what your 10 things are. So it's kind of like I said, like it's not necessarily your 10 favorite products, but it's 10 things that you kind of use on a daily basis. And like the fact that I even use 10 things is kind of shocking, but it doesn't feel like 10 things, if that makes sense. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Emily Noel, for giving me the idea. I hope you liked it. Like I said, give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to see more from me, and I will see you next time. Bye. That was a weird bye.